What you are seeing on the screen is what we call moulting in poultry farming. So those birds, they are naked. So in poultry farming, this is called moulting. And moulting is the natural process whereby birds shed off feather and grow new ones. It typically happens once a year, usually in the fall, but can be triggered by factors like changes in daylight, stress, or end of laying cycle. During molt, hen will stop to lay eggs and may be more vulnerable to cold because of their naked skin. So providing extra warmth and protein is helpful. Many farmers prefer to dispose hen when they are at molting stage because they just feed for a month or even 2 months without laying, or they lay poorly. So that is what you are seeing on the screen. It is molting. So see you in my next video. Bye.